Today I'm back and I'm making a classic loading screen. But first I have a starter project. Link will be in the description down below. Okay, when you're in the loading screen, open up your backpack and uh, and import your sprite, or you can just remix my project. Okay, you can open the backpack and add the thing to your project. And today we are not using GradCAD, so delete this, right? Okay, first thing you have to put in when green flag click, switch background to this original background if you want it, and then if you want to load with with a way that it can stop use repeat, if you want it to load forever, just use forever, but I'm using repeat. For me it's gonna be 190. Okay, yeah, and then turn by 1 degree, but it will be like super slow, like this. So I think this idea was dumb, but no, it if you duplicate the block, it will make it much more faster. The more block, the more faster. I don't know how to scratch it. Okay, see? If you want it to look like it's like the Windows instructions like take forever. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, let me add some sound. You know that all sounds. Yeah, I have this thing. I think it's perfect. But if you want to use other sounds, just get it from anywhere. And also play sound to done when repeat. Copy. We'll do that, and you see, you can make a classic loading screen. You can import this sprite to any way. Just get rid of these two. You can simply delete all sound, but no, I'm not. Oh no, so I want to name this loading. Put in the wrong one. Oh, name it 1. Yeah, just 1. And you can simply drag it to your project. Simply I have this my stuff here. Export it anywhere, like this thing. Yeah, you see, it's like this. And when it's repeat until 9 times, instead of forever gonna be repeat 9 times, and then Keep it down here. Okay. Instead of when green flag, click and be a broadcast message. This message one. Okay, does do nothing. When I see message one instead, and see you can select loading. Okay, that's for all. And if you want to see an other short tutorials, you can click like and subscribe. It's totally free and it gives you short amount of time to click it. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.